Assalamualaikum. Today we are going to perform an activity about density.
In this activity, we can take 2 glasses and fill water in each glass.
Now add 2 spoon salt in 1 glass and mix it. Now we take the 2 lemon of the same size. 1 lemon in 1 glass, second lemon in second glass. As you can see, the lemon in glass 1 sank because the density of water is less than the density of lemon. In the glass second, the lemon in fluid because the density of water is greater than the density of lemon.
So it's depend on the density of objects, float and sink any liquid. Thank you.